I feel insecure, I feel insecure, I feel insecure, I feel insecure. I like to rely on others. I like to rely on others. I don't trust myself. I don't trust myself. I feel insecure. I clear these energies. More hatred, second chakra. More anger towards life itself, towards how life unfolded and how it was treating you. And then I expand the energy field even more. Fill up the expanded space with light.